This is what it's like, huh? Acerbis helmet.
Andrea!
Ma lei cosa? La Francesca. Sì, ma più delle sue parte, non so se...
Appuntamento con Mattia. Ma secondo me, cioè, Mattia rimane qua a cena. Assolutamente. Sì, va bene. Una sera alla Barca d'Oro.
This is the manufacturing.
Down here?
Yeah, from Monday morning 6 o'clock to Saturday 6 o'clock in afternoon, PM, because the chemical processes is more fluid
Yeah.
in the temperature. Every day, every moment you stopping, you spend couple hours for
Yeah.
They make more best condition equipment for refueling plastic
Yeah, that makes sense.
technology.
Yeah. Like reconstruction, new construction here, and then old buildings and stuff. Pretty cool.
You know, this is part of the German production. This is you know, this is part for OEM, the original manufacturing. This is classic, you know, all this fairing, the protection, like this. At the same time, the same time, you know, it's only one part. The other fairing for, I don't know, with BMW, you know. Anyway, all the most important spare parts, the original OEM manufacturer. The Acerbis make many different screens for OEM because the Acerbis have patent for special screen treatment, no broken.
Yeah. So
Or maybe it's like broken, no knife effect.
Yeah.
It's a destroyer like this, like car.
yeah.
This is a good patent for have a protection.
Yeah, that's
This is
really
for
good.
I don't know how many different bike.
Rally bike.
Really are, yeah. The BMW, Triumph, the most motorcycle activity. This is like carbon
Carbon.
fiber, just carbon fiber effect.
Yeah. That's so
This
cool.
is, you know, the cover for off-road bike.
We use the same one.
That one.
Sure. This is the fender, I don't know, it's many different parts. This is only one example here. It's only for this part, but also for coffee machine. All the coffee machine plastic part, this is a kit.
So maybe we need a
Yeah,
coffee
you look
machine.
like metal, nice plastic part.
Yeah.
It is water, all the kit for create this machine. For also they make helmet. This is for clay mountain helmet. Her machine, like Caterpillar, tractor, John Deere. Look at this is classic tank. They have a two tank in one. They have oil and propeller for fuel for tractor. I don't know bobcat.
Yeah.
I want bobcat. At the beginning, all the one tank like water, like barrel.
Yeah.
And now they cover like motorcycle. Beginning, the tank is very standard.
Yeah.
Now they want to more.
Yeah, it needs all the
Yeah,
fancy
you follow all the frame.
fit. Perfect.
Because the secret, everybody want big capacity,
Yeah.
small size.
Yeah.
It's very compromised. For have more size, you need a bring power or maybe space between frame, ejection or
Yeah. Yeah, it's hard to make everything work.
for level. This is more than this part.
The new bikes.
Yeah. Now, ecco Antonio.
Hello, hi, nice to meet you. Antonio Sironi, it's a
Hi,
pleasure.
Mason.
Hi,
Carter.
nice to meet you.
Questi sono due ragazzi velocissimi. Io lo seguo, I follow in the last Dakar.
Yeah, I've seen. I mean,
Yeah,
you made
yeah,
it ninth.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And at the same time, still also, they lose. It's fabulous.
Here in Acerbis, I think it's something which is going, to surprise you because, rotor molding technology is not something that you can find everywhere. There are very few producers when it comes to rotor molding. I don't know how familiar you are, but I try to explain it in a very simple way. Here you can see basically our showroom, which is divided into the motorcycle and the industrial world. The same story, just different shape of tanks. And there is, other two very important things. One is this, where you can drop them. If it was a metal or an aluminium tank, you would probably got damage.
Yeah.
It's not something that is going to happen with any plastic. And when it comes to enduro tank, there is one thing that you can only achieve with those. You can see the level of fuel.
Yeah.
Because it's transparent.
Most
That when
important.
it comes to enduro, it's quite important.
Yeah.
Also in the Dakar, where you have basically the window that you can see the level of fuel that you have inside.
Yeah.
I would rather now, move directly to the production. One thing in
Making the skid plates. So nice.
You know?
Yeah.
The, or this, it's factory. Tappy. Outside. This.
Oh yeah. Gas packs.
Vediamo. Pacific Power.
And you send everything out to get repackaged somewhere else?
No, we
You package it here.
here. Now
You use?
I'll show you.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, KTM.
Yeah.
Okay.
Older bikes.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Some kit,
Outside.
Oh.
nothing kit. In the box, and then we assemble everything in the other.
All time. Different color.
Models.
Yamaha. Tirano su le moto.
Un foglietto.
Hi guys.
See you.
Thank you.
See you.
Air, automatic,
Ah, the tires, Carter.
for tire pressure.
In the sand.
Then still the equipment of the circuit. And now I don't need anymore because sometimes clothes work and not work is more delicate.
Yeah.
Not necessary because in Europe no need to move the air pressure. Let's see this thing.
Clean inside.
Inside also, they have a full prepare the air pressure volume. You know, soccer gear, basket gear, volleyball, the rugby, all sport opportunity, they may make a designer.
omologato per voi tutto, quindi
The one that we already discussed. I have some doubt, and I would like to discuss with you. First, about the size.
Yeah. Maximus Voland.
That's a cool water pack.
Oh yeah, I like that water bag. That's the one we saw because of Erzberg, huh?
Yeah. destinazione come si chiama? Mason.
Video ruins it.
Camera doesn't do anything.
I had an idea, but I wouldn't do it anyway. Just an idea.
How about these?
Non può devi girare sulla destra.
Too young, huh? Yeah.
Not in the company car.
Not in the company car. What time is it? Ding dong clock. They're all dinging.
Dude, that's so crazy.
Wow, that's crazy. There goes on.
Permesso.
Fancy and fun. Why would you do that?
Buonasera signori.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello. Oh.
Acerbis.
Sì, buongiorno.
Buonasera.
Crazy.
Oh wow,
Storici
look!
del
Look at
46.
those lines. 46?
Ho scritto tu, no?
No,
Don Perignon
io-
del 64.
Oh wow.
Sì, però del 62 è tutto originale.
It's nice here.
Yeah.
Prego. Dove li mettiamo?